incredible. That is awesome, man. So that's what it's tuned to right there. Don't even ask, right?
Don't even ask, it's right there.
Thank you, man. Check him out. Sound of Customs.
Hey, thanks for the demo. Yeah, you can open it. Yeah, no problem, man. This thing will be loud. Oh, it's gonna be loud. Fuck yeah, it will.
Get in this thing, man. Oh yeah. Tahoe with some AC. Well, Suburban.
Yeah. Kind of some AC.
That shit's solid as shit.
Thank you, man.
Oh, you giving another one? You just told me to open the back hatch.
Oh, I thought you were just showing it.
So what subs you got back there, man?
Pre-team resilient sounds.
Okay. 15s?
18s.
18s, right? Cool.
Yep.
Okay. What are those wired? 2.33 or something?
0.67.
6.7.
Just asked
Okay.
if it was okay to open the back hatch.
Oh, okay. No, I thought you were just holding it real quick. Yeah, the only speakers at work are the two back speakers right now. Thrown them together yesterday, just to get it here.
I'm glad you brought your friend. These are my welcome to my
That's just two subs, man.
What?
That's just two subs.
3.
I mean, is it two? You say two subs is playing?
No, all 3.
All 3. Okay,
Yep,
okay.
yep, all 3 of them.
I was gonna say, man.
So,
Jeez.
rate for only 2, that'd have been nice, right? Yeah, they're direct swap outs from the ZD5s, so
Okay.
it's the box is built for the ZD5s. I needed bigger airspace or bigger box.
Okay.
But so I need to build a different one. So bring the cubic feet down because it's way too big for these
Gotcha.
subs.
Well, shoot, that sounds great, man. What you got with it, man?
Thank you.
Good Lord. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason, man. I'm Papa T. Nice to meet you, man. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Man,
Thanks
I
for-
watch your YouTube videos.
Do you really?
Really, Papa T? Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's me,
Definitely,
man.
that's you.
Hey,
Hell
thanks
yeah.
for checking me out, too, man.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.